TakeTones.com. TakeTones.com. TakeTones.com.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, I just finished my tune-up, man, and for some reason, can you hear anything? I'm trying to listen for it. Maybe you guys can help me. Huh. I wonder. So what I'm trying to listen for, guys, is the infamous Dodge Tic, which was the reason why I actually did a tune-up to my car. Now, what happened was, you know, taking my son to go get him, going to GameStop to get him something from the GameStop, and my car just started making these weird noises, acting like it want to stop. Check engine light comes on, man. And then I hear this tink, 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 real loud. And so, listen. Yeah, there it is. The tink, tink, tink noise. There it is. But I don't hear it now. It's only when accelerating. There it is. Yeah, there it is. There it is. Well, here's the question for you guys. You know what it is. I got an idea, but just from you hearing the engine, it driving off, pulling back, parked, and then rev, is that the infamous Dodge Tic? Am I going to have to get some new lifters, you know, and a new cam? And if so, what would be the best performance cam to get and lifters to get? I'm looking for your comments, man. For you Dodge enthusiasts out there, man, let me know. Mo Dodge, Mo Mods wants to know. Let me know. Comments. You gotta leave me comments and I'll follow through. I'm gonna see what the scanner, the old scanner says, what code comes up. Let's see, we got one code found. Engine. Let's read the code, shall we? Stored. Let's see what's pending. There it is. PZ0308. Cylinder 8. Misfire detected. Thing is, it's got new coils, new spark plugs. So that ain't it. It says faulty ignition coils, open or short in ignition coil circuit, poor contaminated connection at ignition coil, clogged or faulty fuel injector, open or short in fuel injectors circuit, poor or contaminated lead lead connection at fuel injector, faulty or improper spark plugs, insufficient compression in cylinder, incorrect fuel pressure, intake air leak after mass airflow, MAF sensor. Now, it's none of these guys, but I'm gonna take it to my mechanic and let him do a live system scan and see what he comes up with before I tell him what I've already done, for the most part. So I'm gonna erase this because I know it'll come back on. It has before, because right now I think it is a permanent code, even by me erasing it. Let me see if it does. 1 second. Yeah, he's going to do the live data stream. I can't understand the live data stream crap, you know, but he can. Let me see, go back. What are these other tools? Monitors supported, monitors completed. Escape. Alright guys, so that's it. I'm gonna take it to the mechanic now. I've done my part, but like I said, keep me posted, man. Let me know what your thoughts are, because I'm pretty sure it is what it is, and you know what it is. Another day, another dollar spent. Mo Dodge, Mo Mods, you know what it is. Well guys, welcome back to Mo Dodge, Mo Mods, man. Where I am headed to my mechanic of 20 years, Thunderbird Automotive, right? So, you know, I got the Dodge Charger and everything, trying to steer away from putting too many miles on it, so I had to get a bucket. And, you know, I should have did some shopping around a little bit more. You know, just a little bucket every day, drive around. You know, but nothing too crazy. So I decided to get I found a guy that was selling the Oldsmobile LaCrosse 2011, fully loaded, you know, leather interior, sunroof, all the gadgets and gadgets. Now, I've always been told Buicks is, you know, pretty decent cars, right? Not the case. Not the case at all. I bought this car last year, and I still can't get it inspected, which is crazy. So I had to go through an alternative route for getting it, you know, on the road legally. And if you're not familiar with it, if you're trying to go through your inspection and, you know, your inspection sticker runs out, check out Stab Agency, STABB Agency. What they do is they get you on the road. They get you tags, they get you legit, and you pay yearly for your tags, you know, and make sure you're insured and everything. So just a little FYI. But right now I'm headed up to my mechanic early in the morning. It's about 7:30-ish, and we are going to get some AC in the car, because it's been wrecking heat. I can't take without AC in any vehicle for that. And yeah, we're gonna see if we can get some AC in the car and see what else we can get checked out. But I'll keep you guys posted. Stay tuned. Well guys, I'm at Thunderbird Automotive. They're checking out my Buick's AC problem. Apparently there's a sensor that's causing the clog or the stoppage, the high line or low line, and I that was the only part I didn't fix. I took the sensor off the old condenser, right, and I put it on the new condenser thinking it was still functional, and I should have just replaced it. It's like 15-20 bucks, but we'll see what Fred does. He may have one on hand. But in the meantime, I questioned the Dodge Charger, right, and from what he said, for those who have this issue, get extended warranty, right? If you have less than 100,000 miles, get extended warranty. He's going to give me information. I'm going to share it with you. They have no hassle thing where after about a month or so, you complain about it, you put in your claim, and they pay for the update or the fix of the lifters and the cam, which is probably going to be my direction when you're balling on the budget. All right, but this is one of the vehicles that's actually on the lift now. Dodge Charger. That's a 3.6, and he's doing exactly what I asked him about: the lifters and the cam. All right. So what he said was the warranty people that this individual went through was pretty good. They paid for it, and I don't want to pay for it. But at the same time, I'm still questioning, because he said, oh no, keep it OM. Once you change the mechanical parts on it, it should be fine. But I'm like, if I go bigger cam, delete the MDS, get the tune, shouldn't it be fine as well? That's the question I'm posing to you guys. Let me know, man. Leave a comment. I just need some answers before I make some big money moves, man. I'm just not prepped for this part of this stuff. I used to be, but in my old age, dealing with medical issues and things of that nature is very difficult. And, you know, your thoughts would be much appreciated. Get back to me.